Hello. Hello, Hafsa. How are you? How are you, brother? Good. Hi. Hi, guys. Good morning.
Guys, good morning, my darling.
Good morning or this afternoon now? Yeah, good. Still good morning. Hello. Hi, good morning. Kamusta? Hello, where is Maganda? The birthday woman. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Kamusta? Yeah, where is Maganda? I just came only for her. Hello, Maganda. Good morning. Happy birthday.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Most welcome. How old are you now?
I am already 80 years old.
8 or 18? 18 sounds good. 8 still kids.
Ayan na ni Darlene na. Oh.
That's
Where
good.
is your sweetheart?
Oh, sweetheart? Where? Sweetheart, she's there. Nice gathering, right?